Welcome to Glitterbust Style, and this is an updated version of my beauty regimen right now. And the majority of my products are Estee Lauder because Estee Lauder is an amazing brand and it works wonderful for my skin. So I usually use the product for a good, I would say up to 3 months. It lasts me, and I go to Macy's and I get the new products all over again. So a few items I have tried for the first time in my beauty regimen. So I've been trying them for a good month, and it's also a part of the Estee Lauder brand. Okay, so this is Estee Lauder's Perfectly Clean. This is a foam cleanser. It is wonderful. You can use it for the day, you can use it for a night. It goes for about $25 at Macy's. You can always catch a sale where they give you like 15% off sometimes. So this is really good. I love it. You can also, I have seen this also at TJ Maxx. It's probably like $5 or $6 less, but they don't have a lot in stock. So if you see it, you have to grab it. This is another Estee Lauder cleansing. This is something new that I tried because I got a special package kit with it. So this is their night one, but that can be used, and I just showed you, also for night as well. But this is specifically for night. This is a micro cleansing foam. Again, it has a different smell. It works. I've used it at night. It works well as the other one, and it's just a different packaging. So you could use this just like you would use the cleaning of the Perfect Clean. If you suffer from any under like dark circles, which I have at times, and I think it's because I put a lot of concealer underneath my eyes, so sometimes, you know, overdoing that, it will leave like the dark circles under your eyes. So I also have used IT Cosmetics eye cream, which works, and this one came in the kit, so I've been using this. This is the Day Wear eye cream. Is like a gel. It has a very strong smell to it, but it definitely works. Sometimes I don't put on any foundation. I'll just put on my moisturizer and a little toner, and I'll go with this on, and it works wonders. It definitely removes the under eye circles. You have to use it, you know, consistently. Next up is the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair. I haven't used this that often, but I've used, I would say, about 4 to 5 times at night because I always forget to put this on. And it's just helped. It's like a night moisturizer. So it's a serum, and it definitely works. I haven't had any issues with it. I just forget to use it in addition with the other products. Also, this is their Day Wear, and I have been using this for years now. It works amazing. It's so amazing. It works amazingly. And this comes in an SPF 25, and I got the 15 by accident. So it works just as well, but I love to have the stronger SPF. So this one's 15. They do have 25. I would recommend that. That one is also oil free. So this one is a moisturizing cream. You could use it during the day. You can use it at night. It definitely gives your skin that moisturizing feeling. You feel clean. It works. It clears your skin. So definitely get this if you have combination skin. Another great item that is in my beauty regimen, it's not Estee Lauder, is Mario Badescu. And this is the facial spray, and this has aloe, cucumber, and green tea. And I tend to get this at the makeup show, and you know, I use it, I do about 3 or 4 spritz, and it definitely gives you that hydration, and I love it combined with my skincare routine. So this is another brand that you could also indulge in when it comes to just giving your face that refresher. You always want to put this on before you moisturize. When you get out the shower, you do your facial wash, and then you apply this first before you put on your moisturizing cream. Last but not least, I'm all about skincare mask. I've been doing it before the trend has taken off and everyone and their children and their husbands are doing facial like masks. So I've been doing it for forever. So I like to use facial masks. There's a lot of brands that I use. Seventh Heaven, you get that at Walmart. This is Skin Reform. I found them at the makeup show. And then also there is one called Snow Fox that I've done a video on. That is also a good brand, a little expensive, but it does do the job. You can find budget-friendly ones at Ulta and also Walmart, but you also want to make sure that you use your facial mask along with your regimen. You know, try to do it twice a week if you can. If you can't, I understand. Once a week is definitely best. My favorite one from Skin Reform is their Oxygen Bubble. You can get other brands that has the bubble routine, and it just gives you that deep cleansing routine, and it feels amazing. It gives you time to have that self-care, self-love treatment for yourself. When everyone's getting on your nerves, you can just sit back, relax, and chill for about 20 minutes, and you know, you're good. So that is my skincare regimen. When I find something that I like, I stick to it, and I don't really like to play around with a lot of things on my skin. When it comes to my skincare, makeup, I can try, but when it comes to skincare, you want to invest in your money in quality products, and these are from Macy's, and it's going to cost you, I would say, about $25 up to about $60. So, and it lasts about a good 3 months. It should never run out that fast. That means you're using too much product. You only need a little bit of product, because it lasts me only 3 months, and it's worth spending that type of money when it lasts a long time like that. Okay, so if you have any beauty questions, feel free to leave it on the blog and also in the comments. And for more beauty and fashion tips, you know where to find me, always on my blog at Glitterbuzz Style.